Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel Nutan Online Study. Today in this video we are going to see how to make lesson plan and topic is the sky. So let's see how to make this lesson plan, and before starting our video, if you haven't subscribed my channel then please do subscribe because on my channel you will get video as well as PDF also for each of the videos that you want. Okay. So here you can see previous knowledge. So we have to write what students are aware of. So students are aware of sky, moon, sun, etc. Okay. General aim. What we want to teach to students to enable them to know many facts about sky, means we are going to tell them more about skies, interesting things about skies, and students will be able to know more about day and night, moon, sun, etc. Okay. Here you can see specific objectives. To let them know about sky, students will be able to know various interesting facts related to it. Like this we have to write. Teaching aids you can see here. Now let's turn the page and let's see. Okay, so this is the introduction part. So first what we have to ask to students, what is above your head? Or we can ask this question like what can you see outside? So student will answer it's a sky. Second question, what is the color of sky? Blue. When can we see stars in the sky? So student will answer we can see stars at night. Now here you can see when can we see sun in the sky? In the daytime. Do you want to learn more on the sky? Yes, we do. So after this, teacher has to give statement of him. Teacher has to write the topic on the blackboard and have to say that today I am going to teach you the topics the sky. Here you can see subject. Here is our topic. Now let's see presentation parts. Here you can see presentation 1. So we have to write all the things that we are going to teach to students. Here question related with that. What is color of sky? When does the sun shines? What does sun give to us? Can we see a sun during night? And here is the answer that we expect from students. Here is our blackboard work, you can see here. Okay, so this way we have to write all the things on blackboard also. Here after explaining properly, we have to, means teacher has to once again teach them with help of chart. So here you can see teacher explained with the help of chart, students observing chart, and for teaching it we can write chart. Second thing, same process we have to repeat again. So question related with that, when can we see moon in the sky? Draw a picture of stars. Like this, you have to ask question to students. Here you can see blackboard work. Okay, so this is the overlook of our lesson plan, you can see here. Now let's see rest part of presentation 2. Here you can see, so we can draw a picture of stars, moon, etc. on blackboard also. So here question related with that, can we count the stars? What does stars do? Okay, here is the answers, and here you can see blackboard work. Now again skills. For skills, teacher shows charts to students observing chart, and for teaching it chart. Recapitulation part, you can see here I have added here how many questions? 5 questions I have added here. What is color of sky? When does the sun shines? What does sun gives? When can we see stars? How many stars are there? And these are all the answers that we expect from students. And this is overall look of our lesson plan. Now let's turn the page, and this is the last page of our lesson plan. Fill in the blanks, you can see here I have added here 5 fill in the blanks, you can see. So this way we have to make our lesson plan. Home assignment also you can see. So this was my lesson plan on the topic the sky. Okay, so if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.